Good morning, YouTube. Say good morning.
Good morning, YouTube.
So this is my first vlog, and I am going to bring you along with my today duties. I ain't gonna say daily duties because my life is not that exciting. But I'm Vanessa. This is Aiden, and right now I'm just gonna rearrange my room. Well, I should do an introduction first, right? So I'll be uploading videos, I don't know, maybe daily or once a week, whenever I feel like there's something going on. Stay tuned, watch, subscribe, and share. So today, I think I'm gonna start off with rearranging my room, and let's see where the day leads. So this is the current situation of my room. It's not that big, so there's not gonna be much changes done to it, but we'll check in and see what it looks like in a few minutes. Let's see. So the plan is I'm gonna move my headboard from there to there and my bedside table, right? Yeah, my room, my big, yeah.
Okay. This is not my favorite chips cause I see him in a circle like in netherworld.
So guys, I already turned the headboard. Now I'm just going to clean up a bit.
I like to freshen my bed a little bit with some nice germ killer and some cool stuff. It's not the same sheet, okay? My fitted and my top sheet doesn't match.
So I'm sorry guys, but my storage is full and I had to delete a couple of things. But this is what it looks like right now. See? That's Aiden right there. No, that's Jaden, sorry. That's Jaden right there. And this is Girl. That's Aiden's bear. And that's Blue. That's Jaden's baby bear. When he was a baby. He doesn't play with it anymore, but they're both just chilling right there on my bed. I don't know why Aiden chose to name that bear Girl, but for now that's his Girl. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you. Peace out.